Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel Glossips. Okay, so today I'm going to be creating a Valentine's Day look for you guys right here. I know that so many of you are going to comment down below that oh my god, Valentine's Day, this and that, blah blah blah. You guys don't want to watch it, don't watch it. Please don't fill my comment section with hate spam. Aren't we getting too old for that? Isn't that getting too old now? Khair, whatever, let's just get on with this video. So if you like it, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Moving on to the video. So as you guys must have known about Spa in a Bottle, if you don't, guys, check them out. So I've been obsessed with their products as I just tried a few out this time. So yeah, I'm going to start my makeup off with this hydrating serum right here. This is called the Aqua Luminizing Essence. You can get this from Spa in a Bottle. I'll be linking it all in the description box down below.
So I'm just taking 2 to 3 pumps of this product right here. Now a little about this product. This is a water-based moisturizer that contains hyaluronic acid. Now if you guys don't know, it helps with refirming your skin, giving it a smoother and a softer glow. Using it regularly will result in visible differences like reduced fine lines, minimized pores, fading blemishes, and comparatively hydrated skin.
Now I'm going to be using another of Spa in a Bottle's product right here. This is their Rose Beauty Elixir. Sorry guys.
Okay, so some words are real tongue twisters for me too. So okay, I'm using the Rose Beauty Elixir. Haha, I said it right this time. I'm using this as a primer. It's really hydrating, absorbs into the skin really well, and yeah, it also gives that perfect dewy finish that I want for my skin today.
So now that we're done with the skin prep, let's move on to the makeup part. For my eyes, I'm going to be using this palette right here. This is the ModSkot eyeshadow palette by Zay Beauty. Well, I'm using this mainly because it has some of those colors that might cater me for the Valentine's Day makeup look right here.
So I'm going to be choosing this shade over here to blend into the crease of my eye. Now of course, I'm going to be showing you guys a shorter clip, but yeah, you have to blend it till it properly blends. Now I'm taking this color to put it into the socket area of the crease and making sure that it stays over there, not mixing it with the upper eyeshadow. That's how we get dimension into our eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be taking my concealer, and this is the LT Pro's concealer, and I will be just putting the concealer onto my eyelid so that I can put a fresh base color onto my eyelid. Now I'm taking this shimmery color and I will be putting it all over my eyelid. Now taking this brown right here, I'm just going to try and give some dimension to the ends of the eyes because that makes the eyes look deeper. So that's what I'm trying for this look right here. Now I'm just going to take this color over here and put it underneath my eyes in the lower lash line. And now I'm just going to line my eyes with my Aqua Cake eyeliner. Now I'm going to take my Million Lashes mascara. You guys know that Falsies is my favorite mascara, but now I wanted to give this one a try. So this is me trying to put this mascara on, and it's going to probably take me hours. So let's just skip this one quick. So now I'm going to be taking this color for my inner corner, and whoa, you can see how bright that was. Now that's the end result.
Now that we're done with the eyes part, let's just get on to our face. So I'm using this Nars All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation, and this is in Punjab. And I'm using the Beautify by Amna's blending sponge, and this is an amazing sponge. I'm going to be giving you details if you guys already don't know over here.
Now a few bumps on my face, and I'm just quickly going to blend this using this blending brush. No, foundation blender right here. I don't know what's up with me today. Why can't I speak normally? Fatma, what's into you? Get out of it. Okay, chill. So yeah, I'm just going to blend my foundation into my skin.
Okay, so I just realized I haven't done my eyebrows, and it happens, guys, I'm human too. So let's just quickly fill in my eyebrows.
Obviously, I'll use the Brow Luxe toolkit and quickly just fill in my eyebrows. You get what I meant? I didn't even remember to do this. Now taking that same concealer, I'm just going to highlight and conceal my face with the same thing. So, and also I'm going to be covering all the acne spots that you guys see I have on my skin at the moment. Now again with the same foundation blender, yes, the word is blender, I will be blending all of this all together so that it looks good. Here comes my favorite part, which is the bronzing. So I'm taking the face contour kit by Luscious Cosmetics. I'm going to mix in both of these colors together, and I'm just going to start bronzing my face. You guys know when I start bronzing, it just never ends, because I mean, this face starts having some shape, man. I mean, who wouldn't want that? Now I'm taking this Blush Crush by Luscious Cosmetics. It's a cream blush and it is so amazing. Plus I love the color. Now the lipstick. Now this is also by Luscious Cosmetics in the shade Prince. I'm just going to quickly apply it onto my lips. And guess what? Once I've applied it, we're actually done with the look. Yeah, that's how simple it was, wasn't it? Quickly, Fatma, let's just move on to the next clip. So, we're done with our look right here, and this is exactly what the look looks like. Hope you guys liked it.
So I hope that you guys liked this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and don't forget to comment down below so that I know. And yeah, so if you want to add me up on Instagram or any social media, all the links are mentioned in the description box along with everything that I used in this tutorial. So catch you guys in my next video. Bye!